Imagine being able to turn an image from this into a sketch like this with just one click, or generating an entire sketch from just a single line of text. If you're wondering what this tool is called, it's Colorify. Colorify has some amazing features. You can generate sketches with prompts, turn photos into detailed line art, auto-color your art in different styles, and much more. So let's dive in and check out Colorify. First, search up Colorify AI.art. Link in the description. Once the website loads, you'll see a clean and simple UI. On the top bar, you have everything you need: the coloring page generators, like text to coloring page, photo to coloring page, name to coloring page, and even a graffiti coloring page generator, plus free coloring pages, online coloring, and their other AI tools. You can even switch the language to whatever you prefer. To start, click on Get Started for free. This takes you straight to the text to coloring page generator. On the left side, you can enter your prompt and choose your style, like sci-fi, pixels, chibi, graffiti, minimalist, or anime. Right below that, you can select the size of your image, and you also have the option to enable or disable a simple background. Turning this on adds more detailed backgrounds to your coloring page. Now I'm going to paste in my prompt, choose my design style, turn off the simple background option, and hit Generate. And with its super fast generation, it instantly created a picture of a young girl standing in a park, holding a book. After generating the image, you can download it for free at the bottom, either as a PDF or a PNG. You can also share it, auto-color it, or even color it manually right on the website. And if you're struggling with prompts, you can click the Inspire Me button. It will generate random prompts to give you ideas on what to create. Once you find a prompt you like, just hit Generate. And within a few moments, Colorify creates a sketch that perfectly matches your prompt. Now I'm going to try the exact same prompt but with a different style. I'm going to turn off the simple background option and hit Generate. And within a few moments, it created a super cute, chibi-style cat sketch. Completely different vibe, but still perfectly matching the prompt. Alright, next let's check out the Photo to Coloring Page tool. This one lets you turn any picture into a coloring page instantly. Click Start Creating Now, and it takes us to the Photo to Coloring Page tool. Here, you can choose your coloring page style and upload any photo. I'm going to upload this photo of an anime character and hit Generate. And just like that, in a few seconds, it turned my photo into a clean and detailed coloring page. With the slider bar, you can drag it left or right to see the before and after results. It looks exactly like the image I uploaded, but transformed into a clean coloring page. And at the bottom, you can download the image for free or choose to color it manually right on the website. Now let's move on to the online coloring feature, where you can color your pages directly on the website. Let's click on Add Color Now. Here, you can either upload your own image or choose from the existing coloring pages below. I'm going to select Pikachu. On the left, you can see all the coloring options. You can pick a custom color here or choose one of the preset basic colors below. You can also select your coloring tool, like the bucket fill tool, the brush tool, or the eraser. And underneath that, you have options to redo an action, recolor the entire page, delete it, or download it. You can even enable Detect Boundaries for cleaner coloring. I'm going to do a bit of coloring now. I use the bucket tool to fill most of Pikachu's colors really quickly, and for the tail, I switched to the brush tool so I could add a little more detail and make it look nicer. Here's the finished result. I hope you like it. Now let's move on to the Sketch to Image AI tool, which automatically colors your sketches for you. Just click Try Convert to Sketch to Image AI, and it takes you straight to the tool. I'm going to use these two sketch images to try out the Sketch to Image converter. First, let's upload the picture of a cat drinking coffee into the tool. Then select your style. I'm going to choose oil painting and hit Generate. And within a few moments, the AI converted my sketch into a full painting, and it turned out wonderful. Now let's upload the second sketch of a young woman with glasses and long hair. Then I'm going to pick the colored pencil style and hit Generate. And within a few moments, once again, it transformed my sketch into a beautiful, fully colored artwork. It looks truly stunning. Honestly, it feels like it was colored by an actual human artist. You can also explore multiple other tools on their website, like Sketch to Image, Photo to Sketch, Book Cover Generator, and many more creative features. That's it for today's video. Make sure to check out colorifyai.art. It's truly the best coloring page generator out there with tons of powerful tools to try. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.